This excavator fell off the transport truck just as it arrived at its destination, highlighting the importance of proper securing measures during transit. A pedestrian stepped onto the road without checking for oncoming traffic, leading to a chain reaction where a semi-truck attempted to evade him but collided with another vehicle. This incident underscores the critical need for pedestrian awareness and defensive driving. In the past, massive heavy-duty trucks played a significant role in shaping road infrastructure. Some models were so large that they influenced road regulations and vehicle design. Their immense weight and power required careful engineering to minimize their impact on road surfaces. This concrete mixer came dangerously close to overturning, demonstrating the risks associated with sudden shifts in weight during transportation. Scrap metal fell from a truck bed, creating hazardous conditions for drivers behind it. This highlights the importance of securing cargo to prevent road debris accidents. A trailer carrying iron frames lost its load on the highway, possibly due to inadequate securing during transportation. This emphasizes the need for proper load restraint techniques. This worker skillfully positioned the tire to dislodge the rock with precision, showcasing the value of controlled movements in heavy-duty tasks. The unpredictable actions of inexperienced drivers remain a significant safety concern on the road. A vehicle has veered into a roadside ditch. An assessment of potential mechanical failures or driver error is necessary. Failing to check the rearview mirror before changing lanes poses a serious risk to road safety. In an ironic turn of events, while attempting to rescue heavy machinery, the crane itself tipped over, illustrating the importance of careful load management and stability assessment. This vehicle demonstrated exceptional braking performance, stopping precisely in time to avoid a collision. Despite the nearby excavator's lifting capability, it was not utilized to assist in righting the overturned truck, highlighting the importance of quick decision-making in recovery operations. The white car ahead is signaling improperly and obstructing traffic flow, which could warrant a penalty for unsafe driving behavior. While towing an excavator, the tow rope snapped. However, a secondary anchor point prevented further complications. This highlights the importance of redundancy in towing operations. Stacking two transport trucks in this manner is unsafe and should be avoided to prevent structural failure and potential accidents. The structural integrity of this BMW was sufficient to cause the larger truck to momentarily lift off the ground upon impact, showcasing the engineering strength of modern vehicles. This tractor's design resembles a mantis, efficiently navigating the fields with precision. The driver of this electric vehicle executed a highly controlled drift on a wet road, narrowly avoiding a collision with a motorcycle. This highlights the importance of advanced vehicle handling skills in hazardous conditions. A loss of vehicle control sent this car onto the sidewalk, where trees served as a natural barrier to prevent further damage. The forklift operator inadvertently toppled a stack of goods and, in a rushed attempt to exit the vehicle, failed to secure it, further endangering the load. This underscores the need for proper safety protocols in warehouse operations. The red truck narrowly avoided a rollover accident, demonstrating the importance of maintaining stability when making sudden maneuvers. A vehicle came to an unexpected stop in the middle of the highway, creating a dangerous situation for following traffic. This highlights the necessity of pulling over safely in the event of a breakdown. Due to the combined effects of a downhill slope and slippery conditions, excessive weight shifted onto the truck's front axle, leading to structural failure. A driver exited her vehicle without engaging the handbrake, resulting in unintended vehicle movement. Fortunately, a small tree mitigated further displacement. As a vehicle passed over a manhole, a sudden gas explosion propelled the cover upward, causing significant undercarriage damage and leading to engine failure. A semi-truck slowly moved out of the emergency lane, but due to its low speed, the approaching vehicle was unable to brake in time, resulting in a collision. A motorcycle rider hesitated at an intersection, only to be nudged forward by a truck behind him. This highlights the importance of decisive decision-making in traffic. A driver attempted to operate a truck with a missing front wheel rim and was subsequently pulled over and cited by the police. This serves as a reminder that vehicles must be maintained in roadworthy condition at all times. On February 10th in Tianjin, a driver stopped in the middle of a highway due to a vehicle breakdown. A rescuer advised her to move to the safety lane, but before this could be done, a truck collided with the stalled car. This highlights the importance of promptly removing disabled vehicles from active traffic lanes. An attempt to make an abrupt U-turn resulted in the vehicle plunging into a river, demonstrating the dangers of improper turn execution. A motorcyclist without a helmet failed to check for surrounding vehicles before turning, making him fully accountable for any resulting accidents. This driver's approach to reversing appears unconventional and warrants careful observation. Did the white car contribute to this accident? Share your thoughts below. This small excavator attempted to tow a heavily loaded three-wheeled truck beyond its capacity, illustrating the importance of understanding equipment limitations. This smooth surface presents a potential slipping hazard for trucks. Drivers should exercise caution when navigating such terrain. The underside of this truck appears to have sustained significant impact damage, which requires further inspection. White smoke is escaping from the truck's cargo, likely due to CO2 venting, which could pose a safety risk to nearby vehicles. The driver of this truck veered off course and collided with a median, possibly due to fatigue or distraction. This truck suddenly lost control despite an open road ahead, suggesting a potential mechanical failure or driver error. A car collided with the truck's fuel tank, causing a significant fuel leak. This underscores the importance of maintaining safe following distances. The driver may have mistaken the accelerator for the brake, resulting in unintended rapid acceleration. Such errors highlight the need for careful foot placement when operating a vehicle. The soft roadside terrain gave way under the weight of a heavy truck, leading to a rollover. A pickup truck drifted into another lane and collided with a car at a significant speed, likely due to driver inattention. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. container truck ended up in a body of water, emphasizing the importance of securing cargo and maintaining vehicle stability on uneven terrain.
Fucking hell.
Remaining alert while driving is crucial, as unexpected hazards can arise at any moment. Adhering to traffic laws is essential for ensuring safety on the road, just as following structured guidelines is important in any field. Maintaining appropriate speed and lane discipline significantly reduces the risk of accidents and enhances traffic flow efficiency. Whether traveling for necessity or leisure, prioritizing safety and vigilance ensures a smooth and incident-free journey. The operator of this logging vehicle demonstrated exceptional precision and control, expertly maneuvering both the machinery and the truck through difficult terrain. Their proficiency ensured safe and efficient transportation of the logs. This video leaves room for interpretation. What do you think this individual was attempting to do? Share your insights below. A structural wall collapsed moments after a woman moved away from it. Had she remained in place, the consequences could have been severe. This custom-built engine, designed by skilled mechanics, features an innovative dual-directional steering system, allowing it to be driven from both ends. This showcases advanced engineering techniques aimed at improving maneuverability and efficiency.